Puzzle. Get familiar with the interface. Learn how to use the tool. Create your own jigsaw puzzles. Insert images into the tool to create new jigsaw puzzles. Multi-user mode. Use the tool on a multi-touch device. Let's find out how to use the puzzle tool. Browse the collection of puzzles using the arrows on the sides. Alternatively, you can browse the collection of puzzles in Film Strip view. In Film Strip view, slide to browse the collection of puzzles. Click on an image to select it. Click here to change the shape of the puzzle pieces. Click on this icon to switch between the two levels of difficulty. Click on the Start button to start a game with your custom settings. If you need some help doing the puzzle, click on this icon to display the faded image. Click on the Home icon to exit game mode and return to the Start page. Click on this icon if you want to create your own jigsaw puzzles. Drag and drop an image into the tool to turn it into a puzzle. Click here to open the media library. Enter a word in the search field and then choose an image. Place puzzle pieces onto the board by dragging. The pieces rotate automatically. You can also drag and drop images from other mozaBook tools. Several users can do an exercise at the same time using a multi-touch device, for example, an interactive board. If you manage to do the puzzle, a trophy appears. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.